Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC currently shows some strength, short-term strength within the trading area, within the support area that we've highlighted on the chart in yellow. As I mentioned in yesterday's video and the days before, it is possible that the wave 2 is complete there. Basically the price has landed spot on in the middle of the support area. From a Fibonacci extension point of view, it would be ideal if the price was gonna go to around about 66.7 to maybe 64.9 cents. There are some Fibonacci levels that point towards that. I have to say though, I'm looking at the Coinbase chart. There are other charts where the situation here looks a little bit different, and that's what I've used to calculate, for example, the 64.9 cent level. So it's entirely possible, due to the Wild West with regards to crypto exchanges, that it's sort of a little bit less relevant, that Fibonacci extension there. But either way, as long as, and that's the main message, as long as the price can form an impulse to the upside before breaking below 58.3 cents, the overall uptrend is my primary scenario, yeah? An uptrend in a third wave that should take us to $2 and beyond in the next stage. Okay, it's actually $2.12 as minimum expectation for the next third wave to the upside. And at the moment, I'm watching this structure very, very closely. I already pointed out yesterday that it could be that the low is in, but I need to see something for that. First of all, for anybody who's new on this channel, the idea is that a 5-wave pattern to the upside has unfolded, or did unfold, into the December highs, a leading diagonal. That's a very clear leading diagonal, 3 waves in each subwave. And then the move down is a wave 2. It's a corrective pullback, also a 3-wave move. And the idea is that somewhere from here, at least as long as the 58 cent level is basically holding, the bullish assumption is that a 5th wave or a 3rd wave in 5 waves should form before breaking below 58 cents. From experience, I can tell you that any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement level, which is at 58 cents, will mean that things are likely starting to break. Yeah, it's not the invalidation point, but it's the point where probabilities are starting to shift, and the bullish outcome will become far less likely and reliable. Now, in the very short term, what I'm observing here is a potential 5-wave move that's unfolding. It's not entirely clear, but it's a potential leading diagonal that's forming here. Now, I'm normally not really a fan of labeling microstructure of an altcoin to that degree, but a few of you have asked me, so how would I label that as a leading diagonal? Leading diagonal is a 5-wave move, but the subwaves are corrective. That's how it will look like. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3 is a clear ABC. This here would be a 4 and a 5. Typically in a diagonal, also the Wave 3 should reach minimally the 1.236 extension. Better would be the 1.38. It didn't reach the 1, well, it did actually. Wow, okay, just see that. So it's done what it needs to do. The Wave 4 is respecting the 61.8 extension level there, which is a possible support for a 4th wave. And one more high to 75.3 to 76.5 cents. Yeah, this would be an ideal target for the 5th wave. If that forms, then it could indeed be that a low is in. Ideally, it doesn't go way beyond 76.5 cents. Ideally, it stops there, forms a corrective pullback, and that would be a setup that I'm going to communicate. Might all happen today, so if that happens, then I will post that on Telegram and Discord, because I will not make a video until tomorrow. So that's something to watch for today. So if that, after that rally, if it happens, we take that as a signal and as a condition for our setup, and then I'm going to add a support area to the chart for a potentially upcoming ABC pullback. ABC. Let me change the wave degree just now here. See, that's not a prediction that I tell you this is going to happen, but it's something that I'm watching for, these 5 waves. And if it happens, these 5, then I'm going to add a support area. And then we can add a condition, because we can work with 5 waves. we can work with it, and then we can say, okay, I can now measure the support for the upcoming subsequent pullback that is always expected after 5 waves up. So like that. Okay, yeah, that's I think what we need to watch out for today, and possibly tomorrow on the not on the Netflix chart, on the MATIC chart. Bear in mind that there's also most likely going to be some structural resistance up there, which is very close to that 200% extension level. Here, the level around 76.5 cents, basically. This previous swing high, yeah. But it's only micro. I mean, this is just a micro perspective. That can change easily. Those micro counts, especially when we deal with altcoins, just due to intraday volatility, they can easily change. And to be honest, it's only a 3-wave move up right now, so it can still easily break down. Even if we get 5 waves, it doesn't mean it will hold a higher low. It's a micro perspective here, and it's only a leading diagonal. It's not an impulse. So again, we cannot really trust it until it holds support, but it's a possible setup. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.